Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how you can cut movies with the Windows Movie Maker. This is a free tool available for nearly all versions of Windows. You will find the download link to this software below in the video description. So I've already installed the program and started it yet. The first thing I would like to do is I will go to a specific folder with two demo videos here. I can select these videos and import it here by drag and drop. What Movie Maker does now is it prepares the files and it imports it so I can edit it. I will maximize the windows here now. I can also do import by clicking this button, add videos and photos here. So I can import many kinds of photos and video files if I want to. So every file that I have now here from my source folder is now imported into the Movie Maker. So here I see the first file and here I see the second file here. If I right click one of these video files here, I can cut, copy paste it, I can remove it, or if I would like, or if I want, I can right click it here and say split. And if I want to cut the video, I split every video file here into as many parts as I need, so that I have one part that I can delete if I don't want to have it here. I also have a preview
In
here,
diesem Video zeige ich euch kurz etwas zur
and
Fritzbox von
for
WLAN
example I want
7390.
to cut it here now, so I right click here and say split, and then I have one single part here and I can move it around. For example, I can copy it, I can paste it if I want to, but in this case I want to simply remove this part here, and now this part has gone. So you see here the current position and the maximum length of this actual video here in the preview. You can change your specific time here, and you can change it here the other way around. In the right bottom you can zoom in and out, so you can get the overview of one video project, or if you would like to do, you can zoom it in and then you see your scenes in much more detail. I have several auto movie themes here if I want to have suggestions for my start and my ending. I can also add a title here where I say this is my first hardware movie. I can change the font size and the font, for example. I can select several effects here if I want to. I can go to home again and say, for example, credits, and add credits here, so I can enter a list of names here, for example, who participated on the film. and then if I go here, for example, and I click play, you see it like a cinema movie. If I want to give a description what you see in the video, for example, I can go to a specific point and click here add caption, and then I'm able to enter a text here. For example, you can say Fritz box DSL router, and then you see here a caption
Einmal an den Strom
what you
angesteckt
can see
und sie
here.
bootet gerade. Und auf der Rückseite habe ich hier
You can double click the caption here and set, for example, the time duration, how long you want this appear on the screen. For example, you can set a start time, you can select another font size here if you want to,
den
and you
Strom
can
angesteckt,
select
Strom
some
angesteckt,
stretch effects, for example,
den
if
Strom
you want
angesteckt
this.
und sie
You can also rotate several parts if you want to, but in this case it doesn't make much sense. You can go to animation and set several transitions between two video parts. For example, I will go with this, and let's try it out.
beziehungsweise Voice-over-IP-Telefone.
And here you see a certain transition. Here you can select, for example, the duration of this transition.
Beziehungsweise Voice-over-IP-Telefone anstellen.
You can
Beziehungsweise
do several effects here.
die
For example, zoom in and out.
beziehungsweise Voice-over-IP-Telefone anstecken.
You can select specific video parts and select specific effects here if you want to be a bit creative.
Beziehungsweise Voice-over-IP-Telefone anstecken. Hier habe ich beziehungsweise
you can also set special settings if you want to change your aspect ratio, for example. If you go to video tools and edit, you can fade in or fade out the audio. You can select another video volume. You can change the speed of specific parts if you want to.
Telefone.
Yeah, now it seems a bit weird. You can set a video stabilization if you want to, and several other things. Finally, in the end, you go to File, Save Movie, and Recommend it for this project, and then you can select a specific folder, and I would make sure that you export it to an MP4 file, hit save, and then it exports the video. This shouldn't need more time than if you watch the video in one block, I would say. After that, you are able to show the video, to watch the video instantly. You can say I want to watch it, or I wanna open the folder, and then I can watch my movie here, for example. And you see the transitions, maybe a few are a bit weird, and that's it now. Thanks for watching this video.